While trying to catch the kitten, I think we caught a skunk.
Oh, it smells.
Well, of course, you got a skunk in a cage. He's not gonna be happy. Okay, slow down for a sec. He's just a little fella.
Oh, Jesus Christ. You're good.
Oh, come on, he's just a little one. Okay, he stinks, I'm out. Well, you want to bring him up to the forest?
Oh, fuck yeah. Not staying here.
He's just a baby. Okay, well, let's take him to the forest. He's probably scared. Oh, he's probably scared. Oh, baby, we'll get you out of there. We'll get you out, honey.
Oh my God.
He just a little... Oh, yeah. Okay, don't aim your butt at me. Okay, let's get him to the bush.